CCTV troubleshoot, palit DVR, yan. Tapos palit ng switching power supply. Alright, at is pa rin yung camera at saka hard disk.
Ano tip natin dalawa, hindi nabilang. Hindi na set-set.
Okay na, gumagana na. 4 channel CCTV troubleshooting. So yung pinalitan lang namin dito, DVR at saka power supply. Ayan, goods na, so far so good. Let's go!